Yeah, there's still someone in the deep right. Someone in deep right still. Flag back there, buddy. There's people right the head, you're not calling their head. Another hot, another hot. Another hot, another hot. Line in. Three right head on your left there a bit. Guys, everyone out this hot on three, we're going to move past it, yeah? Got on three, ready? One. With you, Damien. Two. Three, let's go, let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Well done, yeah, let's three.
Just over there somewhere.
Right here, mate, look. On your right. Oh my ear! My ear's ringing like a bitch. Yeah, so. That's how you know when they got you. Fucking hell. Oh, I don't think I can hear out my left ear anymore. Fuck! Right, guys, again, who's ready? Fuck, keep him down!
Oh, I can see something on the back of the tree.
Move it together.
On the mountain next to the tree. Guys, you ready? Who's ready to go fast? Let's support him, guys, support him! Guys, there's a guy in the back, right in the bush, laying down. Near the barricade. No, past the barricade. Back right, yeah, he's dead. Woo! One shot, one kill. Alright guys, let's keep pushing.
Going.
Make sure you take a gun out of the mag. Make sure you go in and take the mag out.
He's waiting.
Alright.
Dad, have you got that laptop? Dad, have you got the laptop? Who's got it? Fucking go there. Push left side, push left. Let's go then. Fuck off. Behind her. Oh, cool. Yeah. Piss. I've got 360 scope.
There's just something over there.
Yeah, ain't that?
Oh yeah, we've got a head of legs.
Can we just ignore them?
Yeah, we can go on.
Let's walk through. Walk through, guys, walk through. Don't hold the flag up, please. You got the laptop? Yeah, you got the laptop. Yeah, we're way ahead. You got my new gun? I'm going to need a golf buggy soon to get around this bloody place. Take it back. I wish I had some more off.
How you doing, fine, Gary? You're like a young man.
What's the game plan for this next section, guys? Should we duck left or right?
Right side's totally chopped up there, but if we can cut in. We've got helicopter.
Guys, we need to break this tree line as a unit. Or we'll never get
Let him be
over.
there, but I want to rinse that fucker.
Come on, guys, keep going.
Right, there is an LMG on the hard left behind the mound of dirt.
As a group, guys, let's go. On three, everyone.
They're dropping back, they're dropping back.
Go on over here, right side. All right. To the right, Dick. They said something to say you're gone. Get him.
With him. sweating it.
We're across the road on the left side. We're across the road on the left side. If you duck left, you can cut in. Come on, guys, get across the road if you can. You're holding up respawn.